Hey guys, today we're going to talk about inexpensive ways to design an Ikea kitchen specifically for a rental property. The first step is pretty obvious. So you've got to make sure that you measure the space. You have to be at the property, and you've got to first of all check the measurement of the wall where the kitchen will be going. I'm going to go through an example of a property that we recently renovated with an Ikea kitchen. And so we took the kitchen design from being just on the one wall, and we actually spread it out over two walls. So we'll go over some of that information. But as I said, I like to just bring a little sketchbook with me. I have an example here. And what I do is pretty much just take a basic measurement of the wall, and based on that, we look at the generic Ikea kitchen cabinet dimensions and try to squeeze them in there. I'll go over that in just a second. But just to kind of give you guys a basic idea, the Ikea kitchen cabinets are typically either 15 inches wide, 30 inches, 48 or 72 inches wide. And I understand that obviously it's not a custom kitchen, so there may be some gaps on the wall, but there are always ways to make that work. The next step I like to do is to go into Canva, which is a free online software. And by going in, I just will do a mock-up, like a little draft. It's nothing professional. It just gives the contractor an idea of what the kitchen will look like. And I use basic shapes to create the kitchen cabinets, the stove, and whatever other elements are going to be on the design. So Canva is a great tool for that purpose. Again, it's just to give your contractor an idea of what the kitchen will look like. And then the next step is to go on the IKEA website and order the cabinets. You have to take into account that there are potentially some delays. It may not arrive right away. Sometimes it could take a month, 2 months potentially, but I will have the cabinets delivered to the property, and then I will sometimes use TaskRabbit to have everything assembled, because obviously it comes disassembled. And as I mentioned to you before, because the cabinets come in only about 3 or 4 different sizes, the base and the uppers match. So they're the same width, so make sure to order the right ones. The base cabinets are usually a little bit deeper than the uppers. So yeah, the last step in this is to order a countertop. If you order the Noxalt, I think that's how you pronounce it, Noxalt line through IKEA, it comes with a very basic countertop, and personally I like to order the Carlby, which is a wood veneer, and it looks like a block, sort of like a countertop block. Yeah, so those are the components of the kitchen. And the final thing I like to do, I actually like to order a larger sink. So I'm going to show you guys what sink I typically order. It's a single sink, and then I order a nice faucet to complete the look. I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out. The reason I personally really like these types of kitchens is they're very inexpensive, typically about $1,000, and I really like to use these in multi-units. So this property specifically is a fourplex in St. Catharines, so in the Niagara region of Ontario. And we've always got projects like that going on. So if you're interested in learning more about this type of thing, we do have, for example, a triplex opportunity in Hamilton, and I'm always happy to discuss with you. And then also be sure to subscribe and like the video, and then leave us a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you've done this type of thing before using an IKEA kitchen. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and I'll keep bringing you guys content. Until next time.